Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make a citrus taco. Let's go! This method requires money. To unlock the recipe, you need to do Martin's quest. I already did the quest a while back, so I can't show y'all. You need to go to Pickle Produce to get eggs and blurtish. You do get 4 eggs per pack, but you only need 1 per taco. Once you get your ingredients at the shop, go ahead and grab meat and citrus fruit. You need to let your citrus fruit ripen before you can cook it. First, cook the tortilla, blurtish, and eggs in the oven. Once you're done, cook the meat. Your citrus fruit should be ripe by now. Now get your fruit, tortilla, and meat and cook in the oven. Voila! You have a citrus taco!